Hey, what is up guys? It's your boy Sixes here and welcome back to another video. And this time I thought I might do something different. See, I don't do that much South African centric content on this channel, and I'm gonna try and do that. And a better way to start it than doing a reaction video. Now, I don't know if any of y'all know Aewon Wolf. How do you even say that guy's name? It's like Aewon. Is it Aewon or Aewon? Yeah, Aewon Wolf. I heard somebody talking about this the one time, and the song's name is Pikachu, right? You know, like Pikachu, Pokemon, yeah. Seemed like a weird name to give a song. Heard it had a music video, so it's gonna be my first time seeing the song, seeing the video and hearing the song for the first time, so you're gonna get a full-on reaction on this. This is my first one, so if the audio was a bit off, please forgive. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright.
Anybody wanna take a pic with you? Pikachu. Everybody wanna take a pic with you.
It's catchy, you know. It's like every other like hip hop track in South Africa right now. It's like club bang and shit. Alright.
Everybody wanna take a pic. Everybody wanna buy you. Wanna walk around in your kicks. But you can't do it like this. I love it when they hate on me.
Yeah.
They know that I make money. Every time they mention me, Lord, I need more enemies. I throw a party with Bacardi. Never fast Ferrari. We blowing money, I'm sorry.
Like there's a lot of ass in this video. Like, bro. You know, there's like a huge influx of just of K in this whole video, fam. Like, it's more than normal. You know, like South African hip hop videos have a lot of ass and shit. But this right here, fam. It's catchy though. It's hella catchy though. I'm not gonna lie. Would never download this though, but yeah. Alright.
Everybody wanna take a pic like flick flick. She just wanna chill with the misfits. I got a hot dick.
Alright, we got our own South African Rick Ross here. Somebody's on the girl beard. He don't look right. He don't look right. Like, bro, why is there so much ass in this video? Like yo, I'm an ass man myself, but bruh, like, I feel like it's just like ass is just the emphasis of the whole video. It's like anyone who talks about this video is going to say, yeah, that video with all the ass models in it and shit. But hey, to each his own, right? Alright, this nigga low-key thirsty. Woo! Kinda cute. The amount of ass in this video still bothers me, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I just feel like it's a bit too much, you know? It's raw. It's too raw, right?
Ice cold need chicken soup. Money talk like an interview. See the 5-4 in the rear view. Kick game on Jean-Claude. Mac game on Steve Jobs. She giving me brain like a retard. I came in the spot like a cheetah. Pikachu. If you ain't yellow, I'll mess with you. It means I like cheese on the money too. It means I like cheese on the money too. Pika. If you pretty, then I take a picture. If you pretty, then I take a picture. If you hide, just turn up the heater. The city, just running the fence. No one Pokemon get you and your friends.
Alright, so this is like also the African version of Drake or some shit, singing and rapping.
Pikachu. Everybody wanna take a pic with you. Pikachu. Everybody wanna take a pic with you. Pikachu.
so yeah, there was a lot of ass in that video. Like this is 2016's ass video, bruh. I'm still gonna say it though. Like there's just too much ass in this video, bruh. Like I feel like when like the director was putting this together, it was like, yeah, we're gonna get a shit ton of ass models and we just gonna pack this whole fucking video with just ass beat. And yeah, song title is a bit weird. I mean, I don't know. Maybe Aewon's like a Pokemon fan or some shit. I don't know, but it's a catchy song. I'm not gonna lie. I won't be surprised if I hear this throughout December until like next year, February maybe. If people don't get irritated by this, because it's a definite bubblegum song, but it's alright. It's alright, man. It's cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. If you did and you like what I do on this channel, if you like this kind of content, then leave some comments and below and tell me if you would like me to react to another song. If you have a song that you want me to react to, then let me know. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. But as always, it's your boy Sixes. This has been a Thursday Ting. I will see you guys next week for a Real Talk Tuesday video. Until then, stay fly, keep safe. Don't do nothing stupid over the weekend, alright? I need y'all to come back and watch videos. But also, stay alive, bro. There's people dying this year and shit. So yeah. Till then, stay fly.